Uh-huh. Yeah. For all the people say, I suck it. I suck at fucking every single day. I eat shit motherfucking every day. You know what I'm saying? My life was really hard. My childhood was fucking still. But I never lose my fucking self. You know what I'm saying? So I'm real. I'm a real, not a gangster, but I'm real. My fucking childhood was still. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Talk about him. Fuck with him in a gym. Okay. You win, never. You lose, ever. Okay. Let's go. Nigga, pray to God, hope for better days. Wish you come back and make this track. This is memory from the past. Never forgot changing my life, summers with a wife and children and family. Now is my time. Kill it boys with a one line. Work at the 27 and go sleep with the sun and the rise. Never from real stories and lights. See the truth in my eyes, thinking it with my mind. I want what is over, make me stuff. Give the people good vibes, energy. Hey, motivate wave in your have. Take belief on God, having everything. They didn't listen to what they say. So much of trouble on my way. But as it gets, don't they give me a chance for pay. Guilty after but I. She asked me why. But never from this motherfucker, try. Everyday bullshit, make it no way better. This guy's doesn't matter. Greaser, souls in the weather. Rain, fight it like a Mayweather. Don't give up, listen to your head, stay strong. Don't think, smoke, seriously, read bomb. Life is short, not long, but I write this song. Pussy's so lick, my legs are so sick. I'm making this shit, more money. More lately, diamond the best, frog this year, everyone. Nigga, tell me what's going on there. What you want the rap share? Life is not fair. Where the fun getting rich, fuck your same snitch. Every day, fuck another bitch. My dream biggest was kid. Having another you wanna be on, but I never fall later calling me for getting help. No, it's too late, look my watch after 8. Talk about him, fuck away him. Into the gym, you win, never, you lose, ever.